And this video review is for the cloud massage, and here it is. This is what it looks like. It's currently in use. This is on the beginner setting, or just the setting where you just hit the power button and it goes right away at some of the beginning levels. But this is the size of it. Now what's great about this is you're sitting on a couch right now and you can adjust this bar. This bar swings up and down. You can make it level or you can tilt it back, and that's just by adjusting this button right here to lift it up, which you're going to have to do anyway, almost vertical, because if you do a calf massage, then you'll need to tilt this whole massager all the way up to match the angle of your legs. Calf massage mode, this is what you're going to want to do. You flip this support arm all the way around, and then down at the bottom you'll notice there are some places for your heel to sit on. But this is what it looks like when you're just sitting on a couch, because you can also lay on a bed and get more of your leg slid into the massager for your calf. But here are the features on here. You can see right now it's actually squeezing her feet. So it gives it a little bit of a squeeze, a pulsing sensation, and then the Shiatsu massage on the bottom. There are some rollers under there hitting both the ball of the foot as well as the heel. You've got your heat adjustment, as well as the way that the machine massages, then power up and down, and then also a vibration as well, and then the power button. But has been the best gift ever, right?
Yes.
Has said that if I ever get rid of it, then she'll get rid of me. But this has been a great massager. Definitely worth it to get one of these. Great for after a long day, and even for doing in the morning and at night as well. But you've got a power cord, plugs in right here, runs over to a transformer, and then plugs into a wall. This is what the bottom of it looks like. But very easy to use, very easy for setup. And like I said, this is on the beginner setting, so once you hit the power button, it will run a 15-minute cycle of just kind of an introductory user settings. And then after you get used to it, you can adjust your heat, your vibration, and then the power that it's going to push on those feet. As well as this button's blinking right now, we can press that and adjust. But it's really, I like the fact that it squeezes. These bags fill up with air. You kind of squeeze your feet and really massage them and make them feel really, really good. Or if you adjust it like this, flat on the ground, you can just sit, and then it will get more of your calf above your ankle and squeezes. And like I said, if you want to change the adjustment, you can change the modes, the different way it massages, as well as the pressure on and off, your heat, your vibration, your intensity, the modes, and then the power. But this is what it would look like when massaging your calves on the floor. This is the cloud massage. Can highly and definitely recommend.